To kick off the new year, I get to open up the Solana mobile phone that finally came in. Let's get to opening it up. There we go. Oh yeah. You guys can see that. The Solana. Best way. Boom. It's like the second round of Christmas. That was horrible. Thanks to Jakey, as I use this code, I got this case that came with it. Plastic wrap is off. Oh, these are my Helium Mobile. This is in here. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Be gentle. Dang, it feels nice. It feels really nice. Unwrap it. Oh. Oh, this is a cool phone. Cannot wait. What else is in here? Okay. What is that? Nice little charging cable. Oh, it's USB-C. I didn't even know that. Anything else in here? Inside the box, you get the cable, get the phone, and then you get all this info. This right here is the power button, and we're gonna see if it'll turn on or I don't think it's gonna turn on. Next video that'll be coming after this will be a tutorial for people who might also have the mobile phone or might have it coming of how to actually get the coins that you are all gonna get airdropped to this phone, because those coins literally pay for this phone. That's why this is free for me. Unless you're buying it on eBay where it's like $5 grand for the phone. Dang. And it's Jupuary, and so I think these phones are supposed to get jumped. I am stoked. I'm so stoked on this phone. I'm not planning on selling it on eBay. I want to hold it because one, it's the Solana mobile phone. I'm so Maniac. I have to have the Solana mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching.